Coca-Cola. It's more than just a drink. It's a global phenomenon enjoyed by billions. But have you ever wondered what goes into every refreshing sip? Today, we're going behind the scenes at Coca-Cola's state-of-the-art bottling plants to reveal how this legendary drink is made, from its secret formula to the precise processes that ensure every bottle tastes exactly the same. Ready to dive in? It all began in 1886 with Dr. John Pemberton, a pharmacist in Atlanta, Georgia. He concocted a special syrup, mixed it with carbonated water, and sold it at a local pharmacy. Little did he know, this would become the world's favorite beverage. From humble beginnings to a global icon, Coca-Cola's history is as rich as its flavor. But what gives it that distinctive, timeless taste? Coca-Cola's secret formula is one of the best-kept secrets in the world. The recipe, known as Merchandise 7X, is stored in a secure vault and known only to a select few insiders. This secrecy is part of what has made Coca-Cola so iconic and enduring. What we do know is that the recipe combines natural flavors, sweeteners, caffeine, and a unique blend of ingredients that gives Coca-Cola its unforgettable taste. But the real magic is in the details. The journey to create Coca-Cola starts with its main ingredient, water. Water quality is essential to Coca-Cola's taste, so every plant uses advanced filtration systems to purify it to exacting standards. Through a multi-stage filtration process, impurities are removed, ensuring that only the purest water moves forward in the production process. Next up is carbonation. Adding the right amount of carbon dioxide is key to giving Coca-Cola its signature sparkle and refreshing bite. This step is carefully controlled to achieve the perfect level of fizz every time. Now comes the heart of Coca-Cola, the flavor mix. In this step, purified water is blended with the syrup concentrate, which contains the iconic 7X flavor blend. Each plant is equipped with state-of-the-art technology to ensure the exact same taste worldwide. So whether you're in Tokyo, Paris, or New York, every sip tastes just like home. Once mixed, the drink moves to the bottling stage. Every minute, hundreds of bottles are filled, capped, and inspected to guarantee quality and consistency. Quality control is rigorous. Advanced sensors, cameras, and lab tests ensure the right amount of carbonation, sweetness, and taste are in every single bottle. Every bottle is a promise of quality. With quality checks complete, Coca-Cola products are packed and ready to be shipped. Using an efficient logistics network, Coca-Cola delivers fresh products to millions of stores, cafes, and restaurants worldwide. From production to distribution, Coca-Cola's commitment to excellence is the same across the globe. That's why it remains the most beloved drink on earth. And there you have it, the journey from Coca-Cola's secret recipe to your glass. So the next time you crack open a bottle, take a moment to appreciate the craftsmanship behind each sip. If you enjoyed this inside look, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Let us know in the comments which product's journey you'd like to see next.